Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Play Store pending download issue on the POCO M8. So if you're downloading an app through the Google Play Store and it feels like the download takes ages to start or just doesn't start at all, there is a way to fix that. And the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings and then scroll down to apps, and then we're going to look up our Google Play Store. So I'm just going to type in one of the words, play, and there we have Google Play Store. Tap on that, and then what we're going to do is tap on storage. So in storage we have this thing like cache and user data. So if we press on clear data on the bottom and tap clear cache, it's going to clear the saved temporary files and empty up some space and make the app work faster. Now another thing that you can try, which is really guaranteed but also a good thing to do, is to set the phone's time to automatic. So if we go and change our time by selecting the search bar and just looking up time. So there we go, date and time. Tap on that and make sure that the date and time set time automatically option is on, so it syncs with the real life time and helps synchronize the Play Store. And that is pretty much it. Now the issue should be resolved. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.